So this is like this. I did cut like this, right? So the immediate one you're seeing here, backside of the lens, this is the vitreous layer, right? Vitreous humor. This one. This is the vitreous humor backside, right? Okay, now first let's focus on the layers on the backside. You see this layer here, the white, yellowish, pale yellow, that is the retina, right? And then if you pull the retina aside a little, then you see the black layer, that is sclera, right? Sclera is useful for, so that whatever the irradiated light, right? What do you call that? Dispersed light. It focuses back onto the retina so that the vision is much clearer and not blurred. And on the sclera, you see this bluish green. In some places you will see this as a greenish one. You see this one? That's the tapetum lucidum. It's present on the sclera, but it's a modification in the nocturnal animals where the light is yeah, it reflects back. It reflects back onto the retina, right? And then you see this layer outside, the white layer outside the retina, right? This layer you see, that is the choroid. Focusing onto the layers on the front, right? This is what? Come on, tell me. What is this layer? This is cornea, right? And you have lens. Easier this way. That's the lens, right? And the layer which is the fluid which is present here, right? Right? That is the aqueous humor, right? And you see this black structure, all these ligaments, those are the suspensory ligaments, and which are coming from the muscle ciliary body. This is the ciliary body with the suspensory ligaments holding the lens in position at the center and also regulating the lens size to look at the different objects at different distances. So that's one other important one. And that's pretty much we can see in this. And another thing which I want you to show is this one. You see this innervation here, this small cut, this innervation, that is the optic nerve. Did you see this? That is the optic nerve. But see, I cannot show you. See, you can see the retina is hold here. It's not moving easily. When you feel it, when I feel the retina, it's all moving here, but it's not moving here. It's stuck here. That is the innervation from the optic nerve, right? So that point, that connection of optic nerve which is innervating into the retina, that is the blind spot, or also called optic disc sometimes. And then you cannot see fovea centralis here, but if you see the cross section of the eye that you have in the scope, you'll be able to see. Did we cover everything? Yes. Iris is not, you cannot actually see, but it can be here. It's a small projection of one of the layers covering on the lens, right? So that's pretty much okay. Clear?
Beautiful.